Ikuku! 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 Ngere kworo ngere kwizon Biafra. Inyosu. Imandem mong imandem ebo di inyosu. Imagege kumeru muto. Inyosu. Ininsibosu. Ininsibon osu. Good morning, wonderful people of Biafra, lovers of freedom, Biafra supporters. I've come once again this morning. The times of the spirit is not the times of men. The times of the spirit can only be decided by the spirit, not human. You are just an ordinary flesh that the spirit Ikuku can decide to be used either for good or for evil. But if you allow your body to be used for the evil, evil will destroy you. If you allow your body to be used for the good, then you will eat the fruit of the land. Because in this life, it is what a man sow or a woman sow, he reap. When you sow plantain, you reap plantain. Anything you sow, that is what you reap. So therefore, those who are sow for the good of Biafra land will reap the good in Biafra land. Those who are sow for the evil in Biafra land, open your ear, you will reap evil. You cannot sow evil and reap good. You cannot sow good and reap evil. I have come to deliver a message. When you see me in this mood, you know, it is a spirit mood. It is not everybody that call the name Biafra, have Biafra at heart. It is not everybody that come in the name of restoration of Biafra, come with the mind. Many are evil, and that evil will destroy them. How will you know the evil ones? When they dance with you, they are only coming to know your weak point in order to strike. But when they fail, you do not reveal your weak point to them, they will strike anyhow. Good morning, wonderful people of Biafra. Those who did not know that we prepare before we come, we take them by surprise. But those who come with their heart to restore Biafra, nothing, they move them. They are unshakable. Today is the holy day of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I hope you are sitting at home. Because it is the day the Spirit chooses to deliver the message. I may not dwell long. I'm here to deliver a message. It is not everybody that call Biafra to resist the evil. The day ahead is evil. You must learn on how to resist the evil. You must learn on how to guide your heart from evil. You must learn on how to fight against evil. Because the day ahead is evil. I want to give you the way to know evil. I want to give you 3 ways to identify those who are evil in your midst. They are like 2-edged sword. This side is sharp. This side is sharp. They can clear any side. The last time I told you that those who does not believe in Biafra restoration are still keeping Nigeria passport, hold it tight. They are still believing in Nigeria 50%. Why? Because then, if it doesn't work the other way, it works the other way for them. But those who do away with Nigeria passport believe fully on Biafra. Those who have nothing to do with Nigeria politicians, they have full hope on Biafra. Those who have business with Nigeria, all their heart focus on Biafra. I've told you this before. Now look at those in your midst. I want to give you another expose of those who does not believe in Biafra. Though there might be among you talking about Biafra, they are only there to gather information from you. Number one, their character. When you are doing good, when you see you, then go praise you, then go praise you, then go praise you, then go praise you. You go see them praising you. You think they are with you? No. Immediately something happened to you, then go immediately turn against you. Bam! They will turn against you immediately. These people were surrounding Nnamdi Kanu, praising Nnamdi Kanu. We are with you, we are with you, we are with you. Immediately then hold Nnamdi Kanu, then turn 60 degrees. Then turn. If it was whose chair or fall in those days, then go say, you speak in both sides of your mouth. Look at these people again. Some managed to surround our PM. Immediately the PM was invited to keep him away for 1 month. These people turn. Let me mention an example for you. Watch them, there are plenty. There is somebody called Emmanuel Amenetus, waiting in the column. If you know him, send this picture, send this bro, he will know he they follow me anyway. In days and numbers. In days and numbers. These are the people who are using this struggle for money. Then claim they be abalists. See, this is their way. When you give them contract, they will come, oh, let me 45 men. I want to 45 men. They are calling money. The men you want to 45, they want to fight for the Biafra struggle. And you say you believe in Biafra, you go call money in the name of 245 men. The government will give you the money. You will chop the money and do rubbish. Men go see go out with your fortification and fall. You will turn and say they don't keep the law. What law? And immediately they are not seeing contract again, they will turn against men. Emmanuel, this idiot, I didn't want to mention, but today the spirit just sent me to them. The evil one. Amenetus, waiting in the column. He worked in the time of Nnamdi Kanu. He was like the one who had been arranged for men to go and fortify themselves. They will call millions of naira, carry men go, do nonsense, give, men will see fall. Now, the way immediately, yes, Remigius, Emmanuel Remigius, the highest criminal in Biafra struggle. When you see them come to line to talk, you think say they are having sense. They are talking sense. All of them are criminal. I knew the idiot from back time. But these are the people where the spirit of the land think that she give them chance to repent, but there is no repent. Once a sabo is always a sabo. Once an evil is evil. Black is black, white is white. You see, as I wear white. Even though you carry black, rub it, put it for dirty, if you bring it out, soak them inside water, put gin on it, clean it, you go see the pieces of white to show you that that is white. Black is black. This was evil. One of the evil during Nnamdi Kanu. He collected so many millions of naira to go and fortify men. And immediately Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped. He tried to see if he and DOS can work until DOS turned against the idiot. He ran to hiding.